Island tears falling tonight. See my bula boy. Moonlight shining on your brown skin glow. Slow wine dancing while the palm trees roll. Your perfume still lingering in the air. Even though you're gone, I still feel you there. Late night texting, but the screen stay cold. Too many memories that my heart still holds. We were vibing to the old root sound. Now I'm standing here while the rain falls down. Girl, you left me lonely, but my heart's still calling. Every night I pray, maybe you come my way. Island tears falling from my eyes, thinking about your love every night. Reggae songs playing in the dark, but nobody can hear this heart. Island tears dropping with the rain. Girl, your memory still remains. 808 beating through my soul, trying hard not lose control. Your silhouette still living in my dreams. Nothing really ever what it seems. Now the beach nights don't feel the same. Ever since you walked away in pain, I still hear your voice in the midnight air, soft like a prayer floating everywhere. Maybe one day love will find its way. Till then I sing these words and pray. Slow wine memories in my head, every word we never said. Island winds keep calling you, but I don't know what else to do. Island tears falling from my eyes, underneath these tropical skies. Even if your love fade away, part of you forever stays. Island tears falling. Island tears falling from my eyes.